You know, no matter how much I try, I just have such a hard time backing up this jet ski trailer. I just can't really see it well, you know? Well, I tell you what, I partnered up with my friends at Autobox, and they sent me over this really cool solar-powered wireless backup camera. Now, this backup camera is made for people who have cars that don't have backup cameras and you like to install one. But that's not what I'm going to use it for, and I think that's not what a lot of you guys are going to use it for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it right here, okay? So I can back this up into my really tight storage area on the side, or I can back it down the marina like a pro. And if you happen to have a cargo trailer, or you happen to have a boat, or anything that you need help backing up, this could be the device for you, okay? Goes back 75 feet, and you can mount it up high, turn the camera down low. You can mount it down low, turn the camera up high, however it works for you. The best part about it is that it's solar powered, so there's no wiring, okay? And it comes with this really nice 5-inch wireless monitor that I'm gonna hook on my windshield. You can put it on your dash, you can put it on your windshield, plugs into your cigarette lighter, which doesn't get any more convenient than that. And you have a backup camera whenever you need it, okay? So if you happen to have a big trailer, you wanna see what's going on behind you, you don't need to spend all day wiring stuff, just put this on. Okay, so I'll tell you what, stick around, we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna zip tie it to this here because I don't want it on there permanently. And then we're gonna take the jet ski to the marina, see how it looks, see what's going on, all right? We'll be right back. All right, let's unbox the Autobox wireless solar backup camera. All right, 18-month extended warranty. That's nice. Owner's manual. Everything you need to know. I will put on this. I will put a picture of this. And I will put a picture of that so you can see the specifications. Okay, so here she is, 5-inch display. 5-inch display. About the size of my hand, a little bit smaller than my hand. Wireless antenna on top, and the connector cord. And then in this box here we have an Allen wrench and a set screw. We have the power connector. Let's talk about this for a sec. Plugs into your cigarette lighter, but you still save your USB, and you have your on-off switch right there. We have a nice suction cup dash mount, windshield mount that connects to the back of the monitor. And we have our USB charging cable, so you can charge the batteries on the camera fully charged prior to use, and then if you store it inside a building or under a tarp or someplace where it doesn't get the sun to charge it, you can just charge it prior to leaving, prior to using it. And in here we have the camera. We have a two-way tape to secure it, and then here's the camera. Okay, solar panels, license plate mount. Camera will move so you can pivot it to your exact needs. On-off switch, so you can turn it on and turn it off if you're not going to be using it. And then on this side here you have your connector to charge the batteries prior to using the solar cell, okay? And here's where the set screw goes. You can unmount it from this license plate base if you wanted to. All right, and there she is. So let's connect her, see how she works. All right, so let's take a look at this monitor here. So on the side of the monitor, you're gonna have 3 push buttons, okay? You can have the middle one, which controls everything, and then you can have an up and a down. So we push the middle one, it comes up to the menu screen. The first one is the connection, but it's automatically gonna connect when you turn it on, okay? So we push the top button, and that'll move us over to the brightness. So we can adjust the brightness, and we can adjust the contrast, up or down. All right, so the next button on the display screen is the image. So if you mounted the camera and you need the image to be 180 degrees to the way it is, or you're mounted the monitor and you want this image 180 degrees, you can just do up or down. You push the middle button to select it and then the top button to accept it, okay? And then we'll move over to the next screen. Now on this selection, you can select the timer, okay? So you can do it for 45 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and 120 seconds. And that's how long the camera will stay on. Okay, so the next selection is the parking lines. So if you don't want the parking lines on, you can turn them off. And if you do want them back on, you can just hit the middle button, select, scroll, turn them back on. It's your choice. Okay, so then the last selection is the reset button. Brings you back to the factory reset. So if you want to just go back to the way it came out of the box, you just push that button, accept it, and you're back to the way it is. So as you can see, it's a really nice little monitor. It's very easy to use, and you can use it on basically anything you want. Switch it from car to car. Hey, you know, a lot of people say I'm full of ideas. So here's another idea. What if I was to take that camera, mount it right here behind this bar? Now I got a forward-facing camera. So when I take the Bronco off-road, I don't have to deal with wiring, worrying about it, looking out my window. I can just push a button and turn that on. What makes this camera so nice, it's so easy to install. I can put it on the back of the trailer until I get to my campsite, take it off, put it in the front of the Bronco while I'm off four-wheeling. Couldn't ask for a better situation. Cover all your bases. All right, let's go for a ride. All right, let's click the button and see who's behind us. Alrighty, let's take a left. See the car follow us. Hey, what'd you think, guys? Huh? It's a pretty cool little camera. I mean, a lot of people like to put in a camera, but they were worried about the wire and didn't think they could do it, whatever. Well, this right here, you don't have to worry about any of it. You can have it on the front of the Bronco. You can have it in the back of a trailer, the back of your boat, wherever you want to put it. Like I said, you can go to the campsite where in the back of the boat, take it off, put it in the front of the Bronco, go four-wheeling. All right? Covers all your bases. So that's from our friends at AutoVox. Look them up. Everything will be in the description page below. I hope you guys liked this little short video. If you did, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification button. Subscribe button. And I tell you what, you guys have a great day. We'll see you soon.